you, what can you see in this model? So I think we all are clear. We are looking at the orbital cavity. This is the base of the orbit, and this becomes the apex of the orbit, right? Okay. We have to learn all the bones that are forming the orbit, which you are going to discuss in detail in the orbit chapter. So this becomes your frontal bone. We can see the frontal sinus. So this is the medial part of the orbit. Okay. So think yourself, medial part, what is this one? Maxillary, right? And this is the eyeball which is situated. The transparent part is the cornea. At the back is iris, and there's a central pupil. This is easy, right? Okay, if we look at the muscles, we all remember. So from the apex of the orbit through the annulus of Zinn, what are the muscles arising? The four recti. So this is the superior rectus, lateral rectus, medial rectus, and inferior rectus. They're inserted anterior to the equator at some distance from the limbus. Whereas, what about this blue one? Of course, we all know how the superior oblique is going to first make a pulley around the trochlea and finally get inserted on the temporal part of the eyeball, but this is posterior to the equator. And we can also see the insertion of inferior oblique muscle here, right? Okay, so what is this white part now? So this white part, of course, this is what is optic nerve. We all know how the nerve fibers aggregate at the optic disc and form the nerve.